initially designed to help people with disabilities come in and work as camera operators in the industry, but quickly realised through its developments that this was going to be something everyone's going to want to use.
We saw something really cool cruising around the halls of IBC. Let's go find it.
We're launching the platform here that you see. So this is our world first, our global launch of Caerus. It's been a project that's been 5 years in the making. Initially designed to help people with disabilities come in and work as camera operators in the industry, but we quickly realised through its developments that this was going to be something everyone's going to want to use, from steady cam operators to regular camera operators, because it saves you having to carry big payloads and being on sets for long periods of time. So this is the control unit by a company called Ignite Digi. So we can control everything here. We've got our iris control, we've got zoom, focus. We can control the gimbal and the smoothness. We can dial in how smooth the gimbal moves and responds. But it's all on one unit here. And then if the operator didn't have the ability to control this and the chair, this whole unit can be popped off and handed off to an AC. And the range on this, you can wirelessly control the whole system from up to 6 kilometers away. This machine is very fast. It does up to 20 kilometers per hour. And it will run for a range of 25 kilometers. So it does some amazing moves like dolly shots, orbiting, but it adds so much creative value to different types of productions.
What kind of projects have you tested out in your creation here?
So we've just finished shooting a BBC documentary called In the Driving Seat. That's out in BBC this autumn that I'm presenting and have co-produced as well. It's an insight into amazing technology. We've also used it in some TV commercials as well, but this is really the start of our journey with Caerus. I mean, we've had our prototype up and running for the last year now. We sort of revealed it at Cannes Lion last year, and we've had it in a number of different shoots, but yeah, excited about the road ahead.
If you want to see more cool gear that we saw at IBC, check out this video.